Hey YouTube, Shay Nish here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. So today we're going to be talking about these Yankee twists that I have installed. So if you want to know more about this then keep watching. Okay, so first, if you came to this video for an install, which is what I usually do, I do have an install video on this type of hair. It's just in a different color. It's a two-tone color. I want to say it's like a 1B30, something like that. I didn't do an install video for this hair, which is called Brown Sugar, because you know it just kind of felt repetitive. So if you want to know how to install this hair, I installed it the exact same way that I did the 1B30. So I'll put that video down in the description box so you'll have that install. But this is going to be the in-depth review on the hair. Okay, so for me, you guys, this hair, like I have been like all day, you know, I've been taking pictures and everything, and I've been trying to sit and think what are the cons to this hair, because every hair has some kind of con, like, you know, crochet braid hair, whatever, like every hair has some kind of con, and I can't come up with one. I don't know, like I don't know. This hair, you guys, like it's so different. It's so natural looking. It's easy to install. The colors she has, they're endless. You can get this hair wet. It's not gonna frizz. It's reusable. There's no maintenance. I don't have to sleep with a bonnet. I don't have to use a shower cap if I don't want to. So there are no cons to this hair. Like, and I know, okay, I guess the only con, I guess, if you call that a con, is it is a little pricey. It is. But for everything that you're getting, I don't even know if that's considered a con. I mean, and you have to think about the work. All of this hair is hand twisted. So, you know, it's like all of these. Sis sat down with her two hands. She only got two. And, you know, two hands, two of them, you know what I'm saying? And twisted this individually. I mean, what you gonna pay, $8.99? No. I mean, yeah, this hair is it's a little pricey, especially because I try to keep my channel, you know, like a little down. But look at it. Hold on, let me show y'all some pictures. Y'all see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Like, this hair, you know, 10 is always my best, right? And last time I said 10 out of 10. Honestly, this is a 40 out of 10. Like, I don't even, I don't know. And then let me tell y'all, so this color, right? So, you know, I did the install video last time, and I did like a little short video just saying how I felt about the hair initially. And I really liked the hair, and so she was like, hey, well, you know, let me know when you want to do this again. And I'm like, cool. So I seen this red color that I wanted, and she sent me the red, and I'm definitely going to do the red. So, you know, watch the Instagram. If you ain't following me on Instagram, make sure that you do. It's under Shay Love Hair or Shay Nish. Type in both, whichever, it'll get you to your girl. So I'm definitely going to be installing that soon. But anyway, I came for that, and she was like, well, you know, I have this other new color that I'm trying to advertise on, and you want to send that? You want me to send that? And I'm like, okay, sure. And so when I looked at her, I'm like, you know, I'm going to do it for sis. I'm going to do it. But I don't know how I'm going to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wasn't quite sure about the color. Honestly, If I was wholeheartedly, I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get this color out of the way, and you know, I can do it on the weekend, so I can just put it in, take it out, put my red in, and then you know, I can slay. But this right here, when I start putting it in, I'm like, And even Kristen was like, that's gonna give. And I was like, I don't know, you know. And then the higher I got, I was like, well, maybe. And then I got to the top and I was like, what? Huh? Again? This is it. This is it. I love this color. Like, this color is everything. This is everything. And then, okay, and then like, get into the details. Okay, hold on. So like, it's got the brown, but there's like some places, like it seems like there's like a little red. It's like when the sun catches it white, it's like a little reddish tone in it, just a little bit. Okay, see, like, okay, I found one right here. You see that? How this one is like a little bit more like coppery, you know, but it still goes down into the blonde. Like, it's just, it's like, you know what? It's like I had micro twist or something, and then I wanted to dye my hair, and this is how it came out. Like, it's just, it's giving me natural. And those are, it's just like a little hint, just every now and again you come across like these small details of the hair, and it's there. Okay, I can't. Okay, I'm getting excited. Okay, so I'm sorry, I can't give y'all any guns. I can't on his hair. I don't know. And then it's like one of those things where you can dress it up and you can dress it down. And I was playing with it, you know, when I was taking my pictures and everything, and I'm just trying to pull it up into like a bun. I'm like, no, wait a minute, wait, that's cute too. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even quite up in a bun. Like, you know, it's just there. And I'm like, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you know, like this is everyday hair. If I wasn't doing this YouTube thing, you know what I'm saying, and I just got this hair, I would just be wearing this hair like months and months at a time. I would, because this hair, I can't even tell you. And I tell y'all, my emotions have been everywhere. Y'all know, everything that happened this past couple weeks, if y'all follow me, then y'all know. And so like, I wasn't even emotionally like in this at all. And it's like, I put my hair in and I'm like, she's back. Like, this is everything. This hair is everything to me. I love it. I love it. Like, I don't know. And it's like, I feel like this is a short video. This is why I did a short video last time, because I'm like, I mean, all I can do is just tell you that I love it. I mean, there's no maintenance tips because there is no maintenance, you know? So I can't really go into that. You can wash this hair, you know, in your head or out of your head. I would say if you wash it in your head, honestly. But you know, you can wash it outside your head if you want to. I don't have any tips. There are no tips. You just put the hair in. And then, like, even if you're not good at braiding, I wish I had at least recorded my braiding pattern when I put this in, because my braiding pattern on the other one was, you know, a little decent. It was neat and everything. But I wasn't feeling well yesterday. Like I said, you know, I had a lot of good stuff going on, emotionally, physically, everything. And I wasn't feeling well when I was installing this hair. And so my braid pattern looked like I did it with my eyes closed. Like, it looks horrible. My pattern is horrible. And as I got ready, like, and I'm starting to install, I'm like, well, dang. Like, you can't even tell. Like, okay, Yankee twist. Sis, like, you did this. You did this. You really did. Like, this is just so pretty to me. And it's an investment. I mean, you have to invest in yourself, invest in your crown. You know what I'm saying? And like, this right here, this is vacation hair. This is holiday hair. This is fall hair. This is giving me very much slay. Like, I don't know. This I don't know. I can go on and on for 30 minutes and rant about how much I love this hair, but I feel like I'm wasting you guys' time. Like, if you got it, go get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, go get this hair, because this is it. And it's one of those things, you know, you say you get what you pay for. Like, you know, regular crochet hair is great, but there's going to be some kind of maintenance to regular crochet hair, no matter what you do. But this hair, no. And I'm going to keep this one. I still got my other pack, and I got my red pack that I'm putting after these 3 colors. Like, I feel like I could do this. Like, this could be like my fall. I think the red will be my winter. Since you know what I want to see? I want to see a copper. I want to see a full head of like, of these tones right here. Like, but still like an ombre. Like, I feel like the black rooted stuff looks the best because my hair is black. And so there's no difference in, you know, the roots. It blends very well with my braiding pattern because it matches, you know, my natural hair. Now, I can't say it will give the same if it was rooted in a bright color with my hair being black. That I will say, that will make it look more natural if the roots of the hair matches your roots. But other than that, this is it. And my red, it is black rooted too, so I am super excited about the red. But I just took out red hair, so you know, it's cool. This is giving to me. I love this hair. Like, you can just, and this is what I do, because at work people think I'm homeless. Like, they don't know that I can clean up and, you know, look a little decent, you know what I'm saying? They don't know that. And so, you know, through the week my hair is pulled up in a bun, or it's shaggy looking. It is really shaggy looking. But I want to be able to pull it down, put my makeup on, and be like, who's that girl? And crochet hair, if you do that, you know, you're gonna have to do something too. You have to spray, you have to pull it apart, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to work with it. This hair here, no ma'am. You pull it down and you run your fingers through it and you're here. And to me, if that don't say spend a little penny on me, then I don't know what else do. Like, that in itself is worth it for me. So, y'all, this is it. And let me tell y'all something, like, it don't matter if people send me hair or not. I'm gonna tell y'all how I run my stuff. If a company sends me hair, I don't care if they're paying me for it, if they're not paying me for it, whatever. If I don't like it, this is what I do. I message them and I tell them, hey, I'm having A, B, and C problem. Now, if I put this on my channel, I'm gonna have to tell the truth. What do you want to do? And I've had both. I had some people be like, you know what, just go ahead. And some people were like, don't worry about it. And, you know, I just keep it popping. I had one that was like, well, could you just send us pictures? And I was like, no. I said, if I send pictures, then I'm going to put the video out, because if they see my face, they're going to think that I stand behind this hair when I don't. So you can't have a picture. If you post a picture, then I'm going to post a video. You know, what do you want to do? And then they were like, it's okay. Instead, could you just give us your notes on the hair, and then we can try to better improve our product? Yes, sure, I can do that for you. But so this hair right here, she's not paying me for this. She just simply sent me this hair. And like I said, I came to her and asked her for the red because I thought it was very, very pretty. I liked the color, and I was really into my red mode, you know, this season. So I was like, hey, sis, can you send me this? And then she was like, well, hey, I also have this. Do you mind doing this? And she sent me this, and I was like, okay. And then I put it in, and I was like, I am so glad she sent this. I'm so glad she said it. I'm so glad this is a moment in time for me. This is great. This is great. So I'm not getting nothing for this. No, I don't get no percentage or whatever, and that's fine. She's a black company. I'm happy. I'm glad that, you know, girl is doing her thing. So I'm not even looking for that. I'm just happy with this hair. I'm just happy to be amongst you all with this hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm happy to be here. Anyway, you guys, I can go on and on, but I think at this point, you know how I feel, that I kind of like the hair. So I am going to let you guys go. I'm going to ease on out and just give y'all a few clips of mother doing what she do with this hair. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section, and of course I will get back with you as soon as I can. And yeah, go check out your girl. She's on Instagram as well. I'll put her Instagram name down here. Check her out. And y'all get with this hair. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Peace and blessings.